This multiple discharge demonstration simulates a silo with a number of flow pipes. Sand flows in the order loaded. The first sand in, which is white, is the first sand out, which gives most of the sand time to cool. As we can see in this overhead view, the sand does not flow down from the top layer, which remains level. The only evidence of funneling is in the ridges at the bottom interface of the blue and white layers. The bottom white layer has emptied to its angle of repose, or resting level. The takeaway? Most of the sand has time to cool and flow out evenly in a first in, first out sequence.